Interested in becoming an AirTalk Wireless distributor? Here's what you need to know. First, ensure your business is a licensed entity, like an LLC or corporation, with a valid tax ID. While sole proprietorships are considered, you'll need to provide proof of operations. Prior retail experience, especially in wireless or electronics, is a plus. Aim for at least 1 year in sales. You'll need either a physical storefront or an online presence, and compliance with state regulations for prepaid service sales is crucial. A clean background check is also necessary. There's a one-time setup fee between $500 and $1,000 to handle inventory, like SIM kits. Also, you'll need a point-of-sale POS system that integrates with AirTalk's portal for activations. To apply, head to AirTalk's distributor portal, submit your business documents, like articles of incorporation and proof of insurance, and complete a 2-4-hour online training module covering product knowledge and compliance. Once approved, you'll receive a welcome kit with marketing materials and a dedicated account manager. As an AirTalk Wireless distributor, commissions are a key part of your income. You can earn based on activations and sales volume. The base commission is $10 to $15 per new activation, with higher rates available for family plans. Volume bonuses can add up to 20% extra when you activate 50 or more lines per month. You'll also earn 5 to 10% residuals on recurring monthly charges for the first 12 months after activation. Plus, there's a 10 to 15% markup on equipment and device sales. Payouts are processed bi-weekly through ACH transfer, with a minimum threshold of $100 before you receive payment. The prepaid wireless market is evolving rapidly. Digital transformation includes increased adoption of online applications and e-commerce tools for streamlined operations. Sustainability is becoming important, with AirTalk introducing eco-friendly SIM kits to appeal to environmentally conscious retailers. Bundling services, like pairing wireless plans with streaming add-ons, is a growing trend driven by consumer demand for value-added packages. By 2027, the number of MVNO distributors is expected to grow by 30% due to preparations for 6G technology and expansion into rural areas. Remember to stay updated on these trends to maximize your success as an AirTalk Wireless distributor.